In this video, we're going to go through creating a Google Analytics tracking account, getting the tracking code to put upon your website, adding users to your Google Analytics account, and enabling user tracking to see individual actions of a per user session. To get started, you'll need to have a Google email address. This can be a few formats: a free Gmail account, which you can get by simply going to mail.google.com, or a business associated Google Apps for Work account. Once you've got one of these, simply visit the Google Analytics website and it will ask you to sign in with that email address. Once you've successfully signed in, simply click Sign Up in the top right. Here, you'll be asked a degree of questions with regards to your account name, website name, and website URL. Here, you can optionally put settings if you wish to share between other Google products. Once you click Get Tracking ID, simply accept the terms and conditions and click Accept. Once this has been completed, you'll be taken to the admin section of Google Analytics. Here, it will show you the tracking code. If you misclick here, you can get back to the admin section simply by clicking Admin in the bottom left and then clicking Tracking Info and Tracking Code. Simply copy this information and send it off to your web developer to add to your website, or alternatively, place this somewhere near the top of the web page, as recommended here, into the head. Ensure that you copy everything from the box. Adding users. There may be times that you want to add other people to your account. To do this, simply click on the admin section and then click User Management. You have different degrees of users and what they can actually see. Here we'll just go ahead and add a user to this entire account. If we click User Management and then plus in the top right, we can add users or user groups. Let's just go ahead and add a user. Much like it being a requirement for you to have a Google registered account to have a Google Analytics account, you need to make sure that you have one for everybody that you wish to be on your account also. Simply enter in their email address in this box, optionally tick if you wish for them to receive an email, and then select the relevant permissions that you wish for them to have. Reading and analyzing, collaboration, edit, or manage users. If you click Manage Users, those people will have all of the same permissions that you do on the account. Clicking Add will then add that user to this analytics profile. It's worth mentioning at the time of this video, each individual account can have a maximum of 100 profiles associated to it. If somebody has reached the maximum of these profiles, an error will be shown to you. Enabling user tracking. Analytics will by default record sessions with regards to everybody that's on the site, so that you can see a top-down view of how your website's performing at a very global level. Enabling user tracking allows you to pinpoint at a user session level with great accuracy, seeing where they came to your site, what things they've looked at, and how long they were on the site for. It will also, if they're using the same session, tie up previous visits with their current one as well, allowing you to paint an accurate picture about the user. To turn on user settings, simply come underneath Admin, Property Settings, and scroll down to User Analysis. This is already on this account, however there's been lots of talks with regards to it being enabled by default or disabled, so just give this a check.